Today, we are making a delicious dip that you can whip up in minutes. This caramel dip with toffee crumbles is perfect for dipping apples, graham crackers, and more. I'm going to show you how you can turn 4 simple ingredients into something delicious in only 5 minutes. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make, like this caramel dip with toffee bits. It's so easy to make and always a hit at parties. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, so I promised you a dip with 5 ingredients in 5 minutes, 4 ingredients in 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It starts with cream cheese. So I am making half of a batch today because it makes quite a bit, so it's perfect for parties. So go by what if you want to make the full recipe, go by the recipe in the video description. Don't go by the measurements I'm using right now, because it makes a lot. We have a small family. We'd be eating caramel dip forever. Okay, to our cream cheese, I'm going to add some brown sugar, and I use light brown sugar for this. That's it for the base of our dip. We're gonna go ahead and whiz this around with our hand mixer till everything's combined and creamy. See how much of a mess I can make. And that's it. Now, if I've said it once, I've said it 100 times on here. When you're using cream cheese, it's best to use the room temperature cream cheese for this. So take it out the night before, let it sit on the counter, come up to temperature. It's going to mix so much easier. All right. So we are going to take this mixture. I'm just going to make sure that the bottom is all combined and that there's no pockets of plain cream cheese or lumps of brown sugar. But I think we're looking good. We're going to take this mixture and we're going to spread it into our serving platter. So I have this rectangular dish, which is what I'm going to serve my dip in. So we'll just take the cream cheese mixture, get it all in there. And just spread it around. Just want a nice even layer. It doesn't have to be too perfect. We're gonna cover it all up. Okay, I'm gonna get all that deliciousness off the spatula. Okay, 2 ingredients and probably about 2 minutes so far. So the next thing we're going to do is add some caramel dip. So this is just caramel dip that you can buy in the grocery store. This is the one I'm using. This is the brand I'm using. You can choose to do what you'd like with that. But I'm only gonna use half, because like I said, I'm doing a half batch here. So just plop it on and spread it around. And again, it doesn't have to be too perfect, because we have one more layer. Getting it to all of the corners, spread evenly. If you want to warm it up a little bit, it might make the spreading easier, but I think it goes pretty good right out of the container. I'm switching to the right hand. We know I'm very left-sided. I can't do it. I try every time. I try to use the right hand. I can't. Any other lefties out there? Leave me a comment. Let me know. I'm very left-sided. Okay. Very, very good. I'm gonna put a little bit more. This is completely up to you. You can judge it to your tastes. It's not gonna mess anything up. Okay, this is looking good. Everything's coated. Okay, we're probably down to about 3.5 minutes here. One more ingredient. These are crumbled toffee bars, so Heath bars. And you're just going to sprinkle that on top. You get that chocolatey toffee bits. So good. Now, if you can't find them pre-chopped, you could always just buy the candy bars and chop them yourself. You know what would be good on this too? Crushed up peanut butter cups. I think I would like it with peanut butter cups. We're a big peanut butter family here. We like lots of peanut butter. Okay, so that's it. Dip is done. You can pop it in the fridge. You can make it ahead of time, pop it in the fridge, let it go till it's time for your party or your get together. But I'm going in right now. So I have me here a beautiful Snapdragon apple because I love the Snapdragon apples. And I'm gonna cut off a nice, maybe a smaller wedge. There we go. And I'm going in for a dip right here in the corner. Just look at that. Cream cheese, caramel, the toffee bits. It's so good. You guys, 5 minutes, 5 ingredients, 4 ingredients, 4 ingredients, 4 ingredients. 4 ingredients, 5 minutes, pure deliciousness. This caramel dip is definitely a keeper. What would you dip in it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want another crowd-pleasing dip, make sure you check out my Italian hoagie dip. It's gonna knock your socks off. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. I'll see you next time. Bye.